Hey everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. So today I'm participating in the DIY Fall Challenge, which is being hosted by Chelle from Chelle'S Glam Home. And if you don't know who she is, she does a lot of glam DIYs and home decor. She has a beautiful home, so I definitely recommend that you check her out. I will link her channel down below as well as the playlist for this challenge, so you can do that after you are done here. So for this challenge, Chelle has asked us to create a fall DIY for under $20 and then also add a little touch of Chelle to the DIY. So I am going to be doing 3 glam DIY pumpkins for you, so I hope you stick around to find out how they turn out. Alright, so for the first pumpkin, you are going to need a carvable pumpkin from Dollar Tree, some glitter, some Krylon rose gold metallic spray paint, Mod Podge and a paintbrush, and then a crystal glass knob. And then I am going to take my pumpkin outside and go spray paint it, and I'll be right back to get started. Alright, now that my pumpkin is spray painted in the rose gold, all I'm going to do is cover it with the Mod Podge, and then I am going to roll it in the glitter that I put on the paper plate there, and then also sprinkle some of the glitter on top and all over the pumpkin so I have a pretty sparkly pumpkin. Now I just applied the knob to the top of the pumpkin with some super glue, and that was it. I think this pumpkin came out the prettiest. I definitely think it is my favorite of all 3 of the pumpkins, but I will let you guys decide. It's very sparkly and very glam though. Okay, so for the second pumpkin, you are going to need another carvable pumpkin from Dollar Tree. This time I went ahead and spray painted mine white first, and then also some nail polish of your choice, a bowl of cold water, a skewer or a toothpick, and then I also have some silver metallic paint and paintbrush. So let's get started. Alright, so for this pumpkin, I just picked 3 different nail polish colors. They were all a metallic color tone, and I just added them to my water, and then I just took my skewer and swirled them around and then dipped the bottom of my pumpkin. Originally, I thought that was all I was going to do, was just dip the bottom of my pumpkin, but I wasn't liking it, so I added more nail polish to the water and swirled it around, and then I dipped it again to start dipping the sides more. And then I decided I was going to paint the stem with some silver metallic paint. But then I was like, you know what, I don't like the top of the pumpkin just left plain white. Maybe because it was the Dollar Tree pumpkin, it just had like an indent and a funky look to it. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and add some more nail polish to the water and swirl it around again and just dip the top of the pumpkin. And I think that worked out best. I think the pumpkin looks really pretty. It doesn't have as much of the swirl design to it as I would have liked to get, but I still think it turned out really good in the end. Okay, so for the third and final pumpkin, it's going to be a fur pumpkin. And you guys might think that that is a little weird. It probably is a little bit weird, but it's glam, it's fur. It's fake fur. So I'm just using a rug that I got from Five Below a long time ago. And then, of course, another Dollar Tree pumpkin and some spray adhesive, some gold metallic paint, a paintbrush, and some scissors. So let's see how I did it. Alright, so for the fur pumpkin, all I did was remove the stem and turn the rug upside down, and then flip the pumpkin upside down and spray it all with spray adhesive. Alright guys, I really think my 3 Glam pumpkins turned out really pretty. I hope you guys liked them. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I typically don't do Glam decor. I normally do farmhouse decor, but I like to venture off and do different things, so this was a lot of fun to do. So thank you so much to Chelle for hosting this challenge. I'm glad I got to participate in it. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button down below before you leave, and don't forget to hit the notification bell if you don't want to miss out on any new videos. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.